Let me write my YouTube channel up here before we get started, where you can catch all my math videos. So youtube.com, and the keyword is heavy coin. Okay, let's get started here. We're finding higher order derivatives, and this is a tricky one here. And we want to find y double prime. So the first thing we're going to do is find y prime. And the way this works is I'm going to treat this like it's a number down here. Like, for example, it's 2 raised to the x. So pretend this is a 2 raised to the x. So you got to remember how to take derivatives of these exponential functions, and so that we're going to take the derivative of x, and that derivative of x is 1, and then we just rewrite x raised to the x times the natural log of x. Okay, so it's the natural log of whatever this number is here, or the natural log of this. Okay, and then we say plus. Now we're going to treat this as though this was x raised to the 3rd power, like this is a number up here. So you would take that x and bring it out front, rewrite x raised to the x, but remember you subtract 1 from the exponent. Okay, we subtract 1. Now we can actually simplify this down. Let me just rewrite this. This is x raised to the x times the natural log of x plus, now this is a 1 right here. You add exponents. Our bases are the same, so we can add exponents. So this becomes a 1 plus x minus 1, so we're just left with an x raised to the x power. Now what I'm going to do next here is I'm going to factor out an x. So we're going to factor this x out, and we're left with the natural log of x plus 1, all in parentheses. Okay. Alright, and of course I'm going to need to rewrite this so we can remember what all that was. Okay, so this was x raised to the x, and the natural log of x plus 1, close parentheses. Okay. Now we want to find the second derivative, and so remember what we use the product rule here, by the way. What's the derivative of x raised to the x? Well, isn't that just all of this? Alright, so hope that's not confusing. The natural log of x plus 1. Okay, that's the derivative of this guy. Times, so we have to rewrite the second part of the function, the natural log of x plus 1, and of course I'm going to put a parentheses around this, and then this is going to be plus. Now I'm about to run out of room here, but we rewrite the first function, and we take the derivative of the natural log of x plus 1. Well, derivative of the natural log of x is just 1 over x. Alright, so now it's just a matter of cleaning it up. So this is going to be the second derivative. Now this guy right here is going to, we can rewrite that. And we have 2 of these, so I'm going to write this as the natural log of x plus 1 quantity squared, since there's 2 of them, plus x raised to the x minus 1, because when we take this up into the numerator and then add exponents, this is what we get. Well, you know what? I think I'm just going to leave it at that. So that's how you take the second derivative, and of course I've got lots of videos in calculus, and I'm uploading dozens every day to get you through your calculus class at youtube.com, heavy coin. Thank you.